Hey guys, welcome to my channel 5C Vlogs. Yeah, by the name itself you come to know that this is a vlog channel, but first time I'm going to do an unboxing video. Yeah guys, first time I'm going to do an unboxing video because I don't buy gadgets all the time. So adla enna irukku guys, ipo vadikum pannalana inime start panniralam. So in the video vandu nariya likes nariya views kadichidna inime you can expect this channel to be uploading more of the unboxing type videos instead of vlogging. No guys, vlogging is more important. So the product to be unboxed in today's video is the Philips SPA it's the Philips SPA 8000B, the 5.1 speakers, multimedia speakers. So here I've got the box. I just made the purchase today, so you know that I've got the ribbon also. So idan guys, the outer packaging of the box, like the front, the sides you have got some specifications and information. What is this? Multimedia speaker SPA 8000B, the model number, and the information about what this box contains. It's one number subwoofer, 5 numbers of satellite speakers, 1 number remote, 1 number of 2 RCA. That's basically the cable which connects from the TV to the speaker. Yeah, that's what the guy instructed me on. And 1 number FM antenna. And the main part, maximum retail price of this SPA 8000B speakers are 10,490, which is 10 rupees less than 10,500. But I got this for how much? I have the bill over here itself. See guys, I got this for 8,151. If you can see it over here, 8,151, 8,151. So how much did I save in this? 2,000? Yeah, that's a pretty much good deal, but I guess the prices are these only because everywhere where I have seen in online and offline, also in stores and all, they have suggested me the same price. I guess the maximum retail price was just way too high for them to sell enough contents. And before you watch this video, let me say you one thing. This is not a review channel and neither I'll be reviewing guys. Ama, na இந்த speakers பத்தி review பண்றதுக்கு இங்க வரல. என் vlog channelலே கண்டினியூ பண்றேன். அதுல வந்து நேத்து வீடியோல நீங்க பாத்திருப்பீங்க. நேத்து vlogல நான் வந்து எப்படி போய் இதெல்லாம் வாங்கிட்டு வந்தேன், எப்படி I purchased computer table and this one also. But today I'm just going to do an unboxing video. What all is there? I've already seen it. Of course, they show the demo piece and all. So what all is there? I'll be showing you guys. Basically, this is my first unboxing video. So without any further ado, let's continue. So guys, இதான் வந்து outer packaging. இங்க பாத்தீங்கன்னா ரேட் போட்டுருக்காங்க, bill போட்டுருக்காங்க, அப்புறம் the model number, அப்புறம் specifications காமிச்சிட்டேன் இல்லையா? So எங்க என்ன சொல்றாங்கன்னா 20,000 watts, அப்புறம் USB connectivity, SD card slot எல்லாம் இருக்கு, FM play ஆகும், அப்புறம் ஆடியோ ஆக்ஸ் இருக்கு. ஸோ இது ஃபோட்டோ கொடுத்துருக்காங்க பெருசா. அண்ட் தேங்க்ஸ் ஃபார் த ரிபன். நான் உங்களை கேமரா ஃபோக்கஸ் பண்ணி அவங்க மூஞ்சியில் எடுக்கும் போதே அவங்க பார்த்துட்டு சரி இம்ப்ரெஸ் பண்ணலான்ட்டு ஒரு ரிபன் போட்டிருக்காங்க. தேங்க்யூ. ஸோ ஆஸ் நான் சொன்னேன் இல்லையா, இது வந்து என் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் அன்பாக்சிங். ஸோ அதனால ப்ராப்பரான நைஃப் இல்லை, வெஜிடபிள் கட்டிங் நைஃப் அட்ஜஸ்ட் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. ஸோ ஃபர்ஸ்ட் கட். ஸோ ஃபர்ஸ்ட் எடுத்தோடனே ஒரு கேட்லாக் இல்லை, ஆனால் ஒரு ஷீட் ஆஃப் பேப்பர், லைக் ப்ரிட்டி இம்ப்ரெசிவ். ஃபோட்டோ மட்டும் போட்டு கீழே என்னென்ன அது பண்ணலாம், லைக் யூஎஸ்பி, மல்டிமீடியா, ஆக்ஸ், எஸ்டி கார்டு, ப்ளூடூத். ப்ளூடூத் ஓகே, ப்ளூடூத் இங்கே இருக்குது கைஸ், பார்த்துக்கோங்க. நான் பயந்துட்டேன் ஒரு செகண்ட் ப்ளூடூத் இல்லைன்ட்டு. ஸோ ரைட் நான் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் எடுத்தோடனே உள்ளே என்ன இருக்குன்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா, எல்லாம் வந்து அரேஞ்ச் பண்ணி இங்கே எல்லாம் அந்த சேட்டலைட் ஸ்பீக்கர்ஸ் இருக்கு இல்லையா, சின்ன சின்ன ஸ்பீக்கர்ஸ் அது கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. அது பேர் என்னன்னு தெரியல, ஆனால் படித்தது வரைக்கும் சேட்டலைட்டு நாங்கள் எழுதிருந்து. ஸோ அது எடுத்துட்டேன். ஸோ ஃபர்ஸ்ட் நம்ம இப்போ வந்து ஒன்று எடுக்கலாம். Yes, in the other reviews what I have seen before buying this, in Sony or something, they were like metal thing, like what is this? Plastic, yeah, plastic back. But this is a, I don't know what's, yeah, it's a wooden back. They've given the wires for this. First one looks pretty good guys, looks pretty good. So the first one set aside, second one, third, fourth and fifth. Next thing what we have is we have the warranty cards, the remote and the cables for connecting it, like for the TV. This is the remote they give guys. Yeah, so Philips, it's a small handy remote. By the way, my sister just slept. She wanted to listen the songs from this, but she unfortunately slept. Sorry. So this is the cable which connects to your TV and what? I don't know what is this. One end it has this thing and the other hand it has nothing. So this is the thing to connect your TV system with the audio system. Yeah, let's set it aside. I'm not using this for any TV thing, guys. I have a separate one, but I'm using this for in my own room. Like, yeah. Just okay. The big thing is below this, guys. Below this cardboard. Okay, let's take it apart. Good packaging. Whoa. The size of this. Ouch. Ah, this thing is heavy. This thing is heavy. Guys, oh my god, this is really heavy. And look at this design. This is the main reason, like the second reason, for the one which I was going to get at first, Zebronics, that really sucked in front of this. And one more important thing, this is really huge. The other ones are just this much. Even in Philips, what I thought to buy, like in 6700 range, I don't know, it was 5 SPB 5190 or something. That was this much height only, guys. But this one is enormous, huge. So this is all what you get in the box, guys. A huge woofer, then 5 small speakers, a remote, then this one TV connector, whatever its name is, and let me figure out what this is and I'll inform you by the end of this video. So guys, this is the next morning, and as you see, I have arranged the system on the new table which I have purchased for the system and for my laptop editing stuffs and all. Soon there will be a PC coming up, joining up soon. So this is the woofer, as you know, and the extra things. Let me on this. Okay, we didn't connect it first. The way to connect these small speakers to the woofer is that behind each of the small speaker there is 2 alphabets written. Like in here there is written FR. Why is it not focusing? Yeah, as you can see, there is FR written over here. So you have to connect the cable for this small speaker in the place where FR is written in the woofer. So like that we have to do for C, FL, SL. So as you can see, there are many others. FL, then SL, center, which is C in the woofer, and the next one is SR. We have connected all the speakers to the woofer, guys, and after you switch on, there is an on-off button over here, like this switch. So it says like off and on. So let me on this, and let's on this, guys. So it's already in Bluetooth mode. So now let's check the sound quality of these, guys.
You're